Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Just been attacked by this tree. And you know I like going around building sites, don't I guys? I love a bit of building site. And I'm here in Pernera, sunny Pernera. Look, clear skies, beautiful. Looks like summer is really here, guys. Even went sailing yesterday, sea was calm, a gentle breeze. The Sun Palace Waterpark and Resort. Did you get that, guys? Did you get that? It's not a hotel, it's a resort and a water park. It's coming here at Pernera. It's made up of several buildings. We've got a hotel there at the front, brand new hotel at the front as well, and then at the back we've got an old hotel that's been refurbished, sort of virtually redone totally, and then we've got the houses at the far end. And I think the water park's going to go around here where this great big bit of earth is. Of course that's going to go, and I think that's going to be like a snack bar, see what I mean, bar type of thing here. Then we've got water park's going to go in this great big area here. And then we've got, as I said before, the hotel at the back that's been totally refurbished. Looks like they've added 6 meters at the back of those rooms and about 3 or 4 meters at the front rooms. So they're going to be massive rooms in there. I've seen that done before actually, another hotel. Can't remember what one it was now, silly Billy. Doesn't matter anyway. So they're going to be massive rooms. They've added a proper roof at the top. So that's going on at the moment. They really are cracking on with that. Looks like this bar's been bricked up. Yeah, bricked up. Look, that's all been bricked up. So that's nearly all done, ready for plastering. And then we'll go around the front, shall we, guys? Now this whole resort is taken up near enough the whole corner, or the whole block as it goes. I'll show you what I mean when I get round. But if you carry on up here in Pernera, turn left at the windmills, you'll go past the resort, and then there's another side road that go around the side of that hotel and the houses. So yeah, it's a whole block apart from these shops and apartments here at the front on the main road. So let's go around the front, shall we, and see what else is going on. JCBs here, everything. Actually, what I can do, instead of going round, yeah, no, I think, oh, I'm in a kerfuffle, and I do want to go around onto the main road, because I would just show you the location. It's not worth going around the back, guys. Could have gone round the shops and shown you the back, but it's not really showing you a lot. Let's go around the front, shall we? Before we go round, I want to show you the fresh house, and it really is fresh. Look at this. They're totally revamping it, totally refurbishing it. We've got new tiles, we've got a new front here, new menu. Look at the menu. Oh, doesn't it look bright and beautiful? Anyway, I'm not going to go through the menu because we'll be coming down here in a few weeks' time to try the new refurbished fresh house. Oh, look at this new glass. Wow, looks lovely, doesn't it? Done a grand job. Anyway, so that's the fresh house, nearly finished, ready to reopen for this season. So we're going to go left, as I said, at the Windmills pub, back towards the building site. So it's right on this corner. That's the Asian cuisine. Just left here. and then you're going to see loads of activity going on. Now, how they've managed to build this whole complex in this amount of time, I think we're talking 6 months. I think they've been at it, and they've done a lot, an awful lot. Right, so come round here past the vans there. So this is one of the original hotels, Pernera. There he is. That's nearly finished, guys. That's been refurbished, new windows, new doors, obviously new air conditionings, a whole lot. That have been gutted and then everything put back as it was, but brand new. So that's brand new, refurbished. And then we've got this brand new building here. This is the front. Wow, guys, this is amazing. Last time I was here and look at the previous videos, the rooms at the top were up to the first level. Now they've gone right up to the top. This side's taller. Looks like all the windows are in on the left hand side, and they've bricked it up here at the front. Looks like they've started to render the whole lot. So this is going to be the main building, the main front. This is brand spanking new. They've built this in the last 6 months. Gone right up to the top. They put in that special cladding. See the browny polystyrene type stuff. Fire resistant polystyrene, and then what they do, they put a skim on the top, and that's good insulation. That's the latest thing they're doing on lots of new properties throughout Cyprus. And you can see inside all the air conditioning units are in, all the ducting is in, loads of stuff going on. So there's the result. We've got this supermarket on the corner, and if you walk around here, guys, you'll come across some more trucks. And then I'm going to walk past this hotel here on the left hand side, Debbie Xenia. Okay, and I'm going to show you the back of the building site. Oh, I'm in a kerfuffle. There, that's the side of the new building. There we are, staircases up. Wow, how did they do it? There's not even that many people working on it. I haven't counted the people, by the way, but probably about 50 people working on it, I'm guessing. Right, so come down here, guys, and I'm going to go to the end and show you the back. Now, I did say it's taking up a whole square. Now I've included the walkway on the side of the complex. This is the Debbie Xenia at the back. That's not included in the whole area. If you come around the back here, you'll see the back. There we are. And then you've got a road on the side there that I pointed out at the front. So it's actually taking up that whole massive square. It's enormous, guys. Massive project, but they really are cracking on with it. Yeah, you can see the road, can't you, from here? The one that goes around the side of the whole resort. Well, it's a massive project, isn't it, guys? And they are really doing a good job. Amazing job, actually. So there we are, guys. Looks like it's going up super fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.